I have attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Okay. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Okay. So I just heard something. So listen. Pisces, I feel like for some of you guys out there, you've been really down when it comes to like your love life, because like everybody that's been approaching you or the people that you've dealt with, they've done you wrong, you know. And some of you guys, I feel like, are losing hope that love isn't gonna be coming into your life, or you're constantly questioning yourself like, dang, this person's happy, they're getting married, like when is it gonna be me? And honestly, this was a confirmation just letting you know that, hey, you need to stay positive, keep doing the work, keep healing, because divine timing is at play here in your love life. Somebody's coming in, and the person that will be coming in is the person that you're meant to be with, the person that you will marry. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The trick is you guys have to be patient. And I know that's like really hard because, listen, I'm impatient, okay? And I'm trying to learn how to be patient as well. So, that's the trick with divine timing. You just, you have to let go of control. It will come when it's supposed to. So, keep doing the work, guys. All right, so let's definitely jump in. Let's see what's going on, Pisces. All right, Pisces, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Fool in reverse. So, this is telling me that you guys aren't taking a leap towards something because you feel like you're not going to have a new opportunity. There's some back and forth energy here. I feel like you're thinking about, again, this past person. Somebody that hurt you, somebody that left you out in the cold. But again, like I said, in the beginning of the video, I feel like you guys have been putting in the work. You're coming out of that energy. You've been healing. But judgment is here, and it's stating that you guys need to make a decision. Clarify judgment for Pisces, please. I mean, Pisces, there's your card, the moon. So, somebody could be dealing with another Pisces. But if not, I just feel like this decision that you're going to make, you're definitely going to be using your intuition going forward. I feel like you guys have learned your lesson. You've learned how to rely on your instincts. So, that's what you're going to be doing. But for some reason, you're worried. Why is Pisces worried? There's some indecision here, Pisces. Okay. You're undecided about. Why is the 9 of Wands here? Back and forth energy. Okay. Some of you guys are still frustrated by the way things have played out. And you're trying your best to get out of that energy. But, yeah, some of you guys are still worried about it. Okay. So, somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. If not, it's telling me that you're trying your best to stay positive. You're trying your best to have hope, whether or not, you're feeling like the situation with the person from your past will come together full circle, or someone new will come into your life. Either which way, you're just trying to just keep your head up. You're trying to stay positive. You're just doing the work. But right now, I feel like this is somebody from your past. Somebody's wanting to communicate something to you, but they're not. You could be dealing with a water sign, another Pisces like yourself, Cancer or Scorpio. But this person, they don't communicate. They don't really let you in. They don't tell you what's going on. And you're just over the nonsense of them not opening their mouth. But somebody is definitely using their intuition. Pisces, I feel like it's you. I told you guys, you're using your intuition at this point going forward. You learned your lesson. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I feel like at this point, you're coming off really cold and harsh to this person because you're tired of their nonsense. Look at this. They put you in some type of third-party situation. So, see? It's like somebody's still holding on to what took place in the past. Because, I mean, it's still playing out here. Don't know who this is for, but it's here. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But yeah, somebody basically had to make a decision. But for some of you guys here, I mean, there's definitely a third party situation that a lot of you guys went through. But to be honest with you, because I'm hearing this, these two queens, they're representing you, Pisces. I feel like at this point, you're no longer tolerating anyone's BS. That's what I'm saying. Like, you learned your lesson. You're coming off cold and harsh to people who basically you don't want in your life. You know, you're no longer tolerating anything that anybody's giving you, especially if it's not for your highest good. And you're focusing on yourself. You're trying to get back on track. You're healing. You know, you're very independent. You're just focusing on your finances. You know, just that go-getter mentality. Like, this is you. You know, you're recognizing your worth. For a lot of you guys, you know, this person that you were dealing with in the past, it's like they hurt your self-esteem so bad to the point where it's like you kept giving to this other person. And one day you're like, you know what? What am I doing? No. You're like, no, I'm focusing on me. And I'm very happy to see that. Tell me more. Look at that. That's why you guys are feeling like, okay, something that you've been hoping and wishing for is not going to happen. Definitely somebody put you in some type of third-party situation. I feel like they still haven't really come towards you to speak your truth. And maybe that's why this energy is still lingering. Because it's like you guys want the truth. But you're still not moving forward with this individual, regardless. Could be dealing with a Cancer. But yeah, this person wants to come back to apologize. They just don't have the confidence to do so. Look at that. But somebody's coming out of being frustrated and they want a new beginning. Somebody's moving on. Honestly, this can go Pisces. Okay, so for some of you guys, I feel like at the end of the day, you're just over the situation with this past person. You're ready to move on. You're ready to start a new beginning elsewhere. You learned your lesson, and you're moving forward. You're done. Now, for others of you, I do feel like this person from your past, they're getting ready to come back in because they want this new beginning with you. They want to move forward with you. They see things, you know, in you that they want. But I feel like y'all are like, you know what, look at this. I told you, somebody wants the situation to improve. This person from the past is coming back for some of you guys. That didn't feel right. If it comes back out, I'll take it. It didn't feel right. Alright, let's see. Yep. Look at this. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this is telling me that this person is getting ready to take the lead to come towards you because they want to come out of conflict with you. They want to turn things around. Look at that. There's an offer here. They want to give you an offer, and they're coming in fast to give you this offer because they feel you pulling away from them. Somebody's coming out of this sad energy here. Maybe somebody took some type of financial loss, but again, they're coming out of it. Could be dealing with an Aries. But I just feel like you guys are looking at the situation like there's no stability with this person. And this person definitely didn't make you happy. Yeah, look, you didn't see yourself having this happy family life with this individual. And you're coming out of being frustrated and you're telling them that. I feel like at one point in time you guys just kept things to yourself. But you're like, you know what? No. I'm over it. Yeah, you're not positive about this person at all anymore. And it's like, you're tired of arguing with them. So you're coming out of the conflict. You're removing yourself from the situation. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But there's definitely a connection here. I feel like you both do love each other. But you love yourself more. You're like, I'm not tolerating the mess from you anymore. You feel like things are not going to improve. But this person's coming back with a strong offer of commitment. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Capricorn just tried to jump out. So somebody definitely could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like the truth. You guys are looking for the truth. This could go vice versa, so just take it however it fits for your situation. Maybe somebody is going through some type of legal situation, but if not, somebody wants the truth. Until then, they're not moving forward. They're not taking the leap. But this person is coming in to give you this offer, Pisces. Could be a Leo. I feel like One minute they have the strength to do it, the next minute they don't. And I feel like, again, somebody's definitely trying to balance out their finances. I feel like you guys are looking at this person like, no, I don't want you back, because this person was given to two different people. They were playing games. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but I feel like this person does not want you to cut them off. But when you look at them, it's like, you know what? I need to move on, because there's nothing else more I can do here. What it is that I'm looking for, I don't want. I was the one doing everything in the relationship. You didn't do anything. So now this person is feeling guilty because they're realizing that they didn't do anything for you. They didn't put in as much work as you did. You know, and it's like you're realizing that things are not improving. But this person wants a victory with you. And they're keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you very closely, Pisces. They're spying on you. By you guys not talking, they don't have a peace of mind. I feel like there's something that they want to say to you, but they're not. They're keeping it tucked in. They're moving slow too, but they're just not moving towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But you guys are just looking at the situation like, I don't see a new beginning. This person repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. But you're coming out of the energy. Like I've been saying, I see you guys have been healing. Look at this. The Hermit. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo here, but this was a lesson. You guys learned your lesson. You guys took the time to heal. I feel like there's still something else you guys are missing, so they still want you to, you know, take a step back and just reevaluate some stuff. Somebody's back and forth whether or not to speak up or just keep quiet. I feel like it's the person that messed up. Y'all really don't care about talking to this person. The Six of Cups. Yeah, this is definitely somebody from your past here. Clarify the Six of Cups. I feel like this person is thinking about, which is interesting. Here goes the Eight of Cups, reverse. What I was going to say is this person is thinking about, you know, the life that they envision with you. And that's why they want to speak up, but they just don't know what to say to you because they messed up. They definitely don't want you walking away from them. But somebody has to make a decision. Somebody's juggling two options here. I feel like this person's trying to figure out what to do. Somebody was definitely in some type of third-party situation. Y'all know with third parties, doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be family member, friend, just anybody interfering. The person that messed up, they're realizing that they have to get out of this third-party situation if they want to be with you. And I feel like they're making moves to do that. Look at that. There's the Ten of Pentacles. This person sees themselves with you. They see themselves being happy with you. You know, you guys can be that power couple. But there's a breakup here. Clarify the Two of Cups reverse. Okay. Okay, so the person that you guys were dealing with, this third party situation that they put you in, whether it's family, friends, another person, doesn't matter. They want to let you know that they basically cut them off. And they want to rush in to tell you this, but they're not. Why is that? Yeah, they definitely ended this third-party situation. They got out of it. They're not telling you because they know that you're still upset. This person didn't give you clarity about everything that was going on for some of you guys. But they got out of it. Clarify the Empress reverse, please. Somebody feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Ooh, the Hierophant tried to come out, y'all. And there's the Hierophant. Okay, so somebody feels like, again, they're not going to have a new beginning with you because they didn't put in the work to fix the relationship. This was definitely not balanced. You were the one doing everything, Pisces. Or, you know, could be vice versa, but somebody didn't put in the work. That's why they're feeling like they're not going to have this commitment with you. They had to get out of some type of commitment, something that they were obligated to. It was something here. But regardless, they want to be with you, but they feel like they messed up. They messed it up. So now somebody's stuck in limbo, not knowing what to do. Those seeds that were planted, somebody feels like they're not going to grow. They want to give you an offer, but there's still some type of codependency here. And that's why somebody's in their head, confused, feeling like something's been lost. They don't know what to do. Yep, I mean, come on. This person was being sneaky. But at the end of the day, I told y'all been healing. You're coming out of being frustrated about it. Here's the Queen of Wands. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign here. An Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. It's like you guys are just trying to stay positive, but yeah, you're not putting in the work anymore. At all. Somebody wants a happy home still. But you guys aren't putting in the work. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, another Pisces, a Cancer, or a Scorpio. And I do have a Capricorn here. I do feel like, at the end of the day, you guys want a happy home with this individual, but you don't see yourself building with this person anymore because you don't trust them. They're sneaky. Seven of Swords. So, even though you're sad about it because you do care about this person, you had to walk away from this toxic situation because it just didn't serve you. This person was very sneaky, very manipulative. Look at that. I mean, the Tower with it, too. Again, you were dealing with a narcissist. Like, something had to come crashing down. Like, yeah. I feel like the universe was trying to get you away from this individual. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But, yeah, this person didn't bring balance in your life at all. And so, by you walking away, there's an offer coming in. I feel like the universe is trying to give you a new offer. I feel like somebody new is trying to come in for a lot of you guys, but you're still stuck at a crossroads trying to make a decision. For others of you, even though you walked away from this person, this individual is coming back. Now they want to straighten up and offer you their cup of love. But yeah, so you guys are going to have to make a decision. I mean, this can go either way. Pisces, leave me some comments, please. Oh my gosh, yes, please let me know if this resonates for you guys. Y'all know I'll leave my information in the description box if you would like to get a personal reading. I probably will start back doing readings on Wednesday of next week, but you know, you guys can always schedule it so I can book you guys ahead of time. This is just interesting. My eyes keep going back to this wedding card. This is interesting. Because for a lot of you guys, this may be the person that you end up marrying. For others of you, it's somebody new coming in. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, Pisces. Bye, Pisces. Bye, Pisces. Bye, Pisces. Bye, Pisces.